The Merit's YOYO P113. This compact folding power wheelchair offers the convenience of a standard folding wheelchair with the added convenience of a power wheelchair. The YOYO P113 easily folds down to the size of a suitcase for easy storage and transport. Simply pull on the red lever under the front of the seat while lifting the chair. There is no need to remove the battery pack, as is the case in many similar models. As the YOYO is collapsed, two anti-tippers fold out. These support the P113 when stationary, as well as allowing it to be maneuvered easily while folded. Unfolding the P113 is effortless and takes only seconds. The lightweight YOYO supports a carrying capacity of 114 kilograms or 250 pounds, while the Taiwan-made motors accelerate to a max speed of 6.4 kilometers per hour or 4 miles per hour, and the 11.4 amp-hour battery provides a range of 11 kilometers or 7 miles. The adjustable and anti-skid pedal with 3 height adjustments meets the needs of different users. The durable UKPG controller indicates the remaining battery charge and allows for easy speed adjustments and nimble movement control. The charging plug is conveniently located at the bottom of the controller. Furthermore, the removable battery box also features an additional charging port along with a battery indicator. The base motors are equipped with an intelligent braking system which automatically prevents unwanted rolling while stationary, effectively locking the wheelchair in place. The system is also regenerative in that it captures the kinetic energy produced by braking and transfers it to the battery. To quickly change this power wheelchair into a standard wheelchair, simply disengage the motors by twisting the freewheel levers under the seat. Polyurethane foam tires means no more flat tires. Finally, the height of the rear handlebar is adjustable. The YOYO P113 stands apart from most power wheelchairs for how quickly and easily it folds and unfolds, making storing and transporting the YOYO just as enjoyable as it is to ride.